Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RXMD. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis many times over and over again, and this is why I don't think I'll ever understand penny stocks. I mean, this is a good looking chart, and again, you could see the disclosure on the opening slide. I don't know anything. I don't know anything about the company. I just use charts, and that's a great looking chart. And then you look at the message boards, and yeah, people are talking about this one, but you look at like what are at the top of the message board and stuff, and it's just, you pull up the charts and they're total garbage. And then you have this one, which is starting to get more and more chatter, but it just always fascinates me. It's like, do people just need to learn charts? Because you can really, never mind, I'm going off on a soapbox here. But anyways, not a whole lot of new things to say other than, hey, this put in a higher low and is now put in a new high. So let's get some things updated though. And, congratulations to those of you that are shareholders here. And yeah, I mean, I get not as many people are talking about some of these other tickers out there, but I guess that's just how it kind of goes. But anyways, so 21 cents was the breakout point from today. So this would be what I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be if the price can stay up above 21 cents. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below 21, I'm not saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can, somehow manage to stay up above there, that would be a huge sign of power. As I've said in the past, and we'll hit the broken record again, from the big picture of things, it's all about that purple line there, the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. As time goes by, this purple line is just going to keep on moving itself higher and higher. So as long as the price stays above there, then the bulls are in full control. No questions asked. And, that's just really the easiest way to look at it. And you look at right there. There's been a couple of times where the price has slightly fallen below that purple line. But, just slightly. And, again, supports resistance levels. And this is not my opinion. Ask any chartist. Are supports, resistances, exact levels? They'll say no, there's a range element. So even here, yeah, broke below it, but still within the range of it. There broke below it, but stayed within the relative range of it. And I guess when was the last time it was actually... All right, way back here is when I was actually consistently below it, and that was back in early February. So since then, moral of the story here going into the weekend and next week, just keep watching that purple line. As long as the price stays above it, bulls are in full control. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.